ma, ma, ma.
Hmm?
Ma, 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 ma.
Let's learn Mandarin tones. One word, four ways to say it. First tone smooth and high, like flying in the sky. Mom.
Ma, ma,
Second tone, it rises up just like you ask, huh? Hemp.
ma, ma,
Third tone, it dips then lifts like riding on a wave. Horse.
ma, ma,
Fourth tone, falling down like saying hey with blame. Scold.
ma, ma.
Listen close, every tone is key. Same word, but it means differently. Say it right, speak it clear. Let the tones be what they hear. Mom, mom,
Ma, 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 ma.
flat, rise and dip and fall. Master them, you'll speak them all. Say it slow, say it proud. Chinese tones will make you well. Mom, mom, ma hurts, ma scold. Practice every day, and soon you'll speak like a pro. 再见再见
Ma, 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 ma.
Hi there. In Mandarin Chinese, every pinyin has a tone. Tones are really important because they can completely change the meaning of a word. There are 4 main tones in Mandarin. Let me explain. The first tone is high and steady. It sounds like holding a high note. For example, ma in the first tone means mom. The second tone rises, like you're asking a question. It's like saying, huh? Ma in the second tone means hemp. The third tone starts low, dips down, and then goes up. It's like a small bounce in your voice. Ma in the third tone means horse. The fourth tone falls sharply. It's short and strong, like when you say no. Ma in the fourth tone means to scold. So the same pinyin, ma, can mean 4 different things depending on the tone. That's why we made a song to help you remember. Please subscribe to see the updates. Now, listen again and try to sing along, feel the tones, and have fun learning Mandarin.